Hi, everyone. Ever thought about having a natural pharmacy in your own backyard? Let me introduce you to the Medicinal Garden Kit by Nicole Apelian, Ph.D. Nicole is a biologist, herbalist, and survival skills instructor. She's used natural remedies to manage her multiple sclerosis and thrive, even surviving 57 days in the wild on TV. This kit includes seeds for 10 powerful medicinal plants: chicory, yarrow, California poppy, marshmallow, chamomile, evening primrose, lavender, echinacea, calendula, and feverfew. These plants can help with pain, sleep, wounds, digestion, and more. The kit also comes with a free herbal medicinal guide. Learn to make tinctures, salves, and teas to keep you and your family healthy naturally. Imagine stepping into your garden to pick remedies for common ailments. It's a beautiful, practical addition to any home. Ready to start your natural health journey? Click the link in the description to get your medicinal garden kit. Plus, you'll receive 2 free bonuses on home remedies and wild herbs. Don't wait. Invest in your health today. Click the link and get your medicinal garden kit now. Thanks for watching.